In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at the preview modes in Adobe InDesign. So I have my document here, and what I can do to preview is press the W key. So now we have a preview, and you have here in your toolbar on the left side, you can see this icon, which says preview. Now, if you press W again, it changes to normal. So when you press W, this is your standard preview. But if you right-click this icon here, you can see that you can add the bleed to it, that you also see your bleed on your document. You can add slug if you want that. And you can click Shift W to go in the presentation mode preview. So this is helpful when you have a sort of, presentation, when you want to show your design to other people. So Shift W, then you go back again, and it's also visible here when you right click, presentation mode, Shift W. And if you want to go back to normal, you either press W or you click here on normal, and then you're in your normal working document. These are view options, which you can also adjust for yourself, which you want to see here in your working document. But simple as that, press W to have the standard preview, and then right click this icon if you want to see the bleed, the slug, or if you want to have presentation, which is also Shift W. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.